Hi guys, so I just received the package and I ran over here to open it because I realized what it is. I just opened the box, but what's inside I didn't unwrap yet. This is such elaborate packaging. Definitely a lot more well packed than the Louis Vuitton package that I unboxed a couple of days ago. But this needs more protection because this bag has a metal chain. I'm gonna try not to rip it. Here's the actual dust bag. Authenticity documents. And the metal chain is also wrapped in paper. It is a 2020 Chanel Pearl Crush, the mini square version. I just love the design with the ball, and which is why I decided to get this one. I know some people have issues with dents in this leather, but mine looks perfectly fine. Can't wait to try this on. Inside is protected by this felt. The interior is a gold color. That's pretty unusual, and I think it looks great. And it goes so well with this gold ball and vintage design.